Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing my recipe for making authentic Hyderabadi chicken biryani, also called Dum Biryani or Kache Gosht ki Biryani. Biryani has been cooked in so many varieties, but are you ready to cook biryani the authentic way with me? So let's begin by marinating our chicken. Here I have taken 2.5 pounds of chicken cleaned and washed. Now we will be grinding some spices which will give the authentic taste to our biryani. For that, we will need 1.5 piece of mace, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon black stone flowers, 1 teaspoon nigella seeds, 2 star anise, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. We will be adding this spice mix at the very beginning of our marination because it is a key ingredient to achieve the authentic taste of the biryani. Now our special masala is well mixed with the chicken. After mixing our special spice mix into the chicken, now we will add 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 tablespoon coriander cumin powder, 1.5 tablespoon garam masala powder and salt to taste. After mixing all our dry spices, now it's time to add 1 cup chopped coriander leaves, 1 cup chopped mint leaves, half a cup yogurt, half a cup fried onions and 2 to 3 tablespoon oil that we had used to fry our onions. Onions that we fry at home adds more to the flavor of the biryani, but if you don't have time and would want to use the ready-made fried onions, that is fine too. This is the same oil that I had fried my onions in. This is one of the key ingredients that gives you really authentic flavor of the biryani. So I would suggest you guys to fry at least 1 onion just to get this oil. To finish our marination, we will add whole dry spices, which is 1 bay leaf, 6 to 8 cloves, 2 black cardamoms, 1 medium cinnamon stick, 6 to 7 green cardamoms, juice of 1 whole lime, and 5 to 6 green chillies. After putting whole spices, green chillies, and lime juice, we will mix it well and marinate it overnight. I prefer marinating overnight, but 2 hours of marination is also enough. Our chicken has been marinated overnight. Now I have taken 3.5 cups of basmati rice, which I have soaked in water for 15 minutes. Now we will take half a cup of milk, add some saffron and leave it for half an hour. While our rice is soaking, we will take water, more than half of a pot, and keep it on high flame for boiling. Now we will take 6 to 7 cloves, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, half an inch cinnamon stick in a muslin cloth and make a tight knot. We will add this to the water which we kept for boiling. Our water is about to boil. To this water, now I will add half a bay leaf, 1/4 teaspoon of black cumin seeds, about 2 tablespoons of salt, and lastly about 2 tablespoons of the oil that I had fried my onions in. The spices that we had added have changed the color of the water, which means that they are very well infused in the water and the rice will get the same flavors. Now I have added our soaked rice to the water. Now our rice has been half cooked. We will remove 25% of this half cooked rice. I have strained the remaining 75% of rice after cooking them until 3/4 done. I have taken a wide and deep pan which I will be putting on a high flame. To that I will be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we will add our marinated chicken to it. After that, we will sprinkle some chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves. Now I have put the 25% of rice that were half cooked for our first layer. For the second layer, I have put the remaining 75% of the rice, which were 3/4 cooked, and remember to remove the bag of spices. To finish our biryani, I have added pinch of food coloring and I will be sprinkling saffron milk all over the rice. I have taken 4 tablespoons of oil that I had fried my onions in and I will sprinkle it all over the rice and followed by some fried onions. Now we have closed the lid and we will cook the biryani on high flame for 15 minutes. You must be wondering, why is it called Dum Biryani? So basically, it is a method of cooking where meat is at the bottom and rice is over it, and they are being cooked together on a slow flame in a tightly sealed vessel. This process is called dum. Now 15 minutes have passed and as you can see the steam is coming out of the vessel. We will now cook this on slow flame for 25 to 30 minutes. Our biryani is ready now. The fragrance of whole spices and meat cooking underneath will come out through the rice, which makes this biryani very flavorful. Even your neighbors will notice the aroma of this dish. I hope you have enjoyed this process. Please let me know in the comments below about how this recipe helped you. If it did, please do like my video. I will be posting more videos for all my inherited authentic recipes. Please do subscribe to my channel for latest updates. Thanks for watching my video.